Hey guys, welcome back to the another vlog. बेसिकली 2-3 या ऑलमोस्ट 4 महीने हो गए मैंने कोई भी व्लॉग नहीं डाला था बिकॉज मेरे पास कुछ भी कंटेंट नहीं था बनाने के लिए। और डेली व्लॉग में क्या करेंगे, मतलब डेली वर्क ही था और नया कुछ नहीं था। सो आई थॉट लेट्स नॉट रिकॉर्ड एनीथिंग ऑन द व्लॉग चैनल, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू माई फर्स्ट चैनल विच इज़ रौनक शाह चैनल, देन यू गो सब्सक्राइब टू दैट चैनल बिकॉज वहाँ पे हर वीक 2 या 3 वीडियोज़ आते हैं विच आई टॉक अबाउट बुक्स, प्रोडक्टिविटी, लाइफ हैक्स एंड मच मोर. But today's vlog is very special because today we are going to do the unboxing of a camera Canon G7X Mark II. Basically ये कैमरा व्लॉगिंग के लिए है, तो basically for this channel, I mean for vlog channel, I am thinking about buying 2 cameras. First one is this one. Actually मेरा नहीं, मेरे अंकल ने लिया है. That camera is G7X Mark II and I am thinking about buying another camera जो कि आपको नेक्स्ट मंथ पता चलेगा. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. सो लेट्स डू द अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ दिस एंड लेट्स सी हाउ द कैमरा इज. कैमरा मैंने पहले ही अनबॉक्स कर दिया था, सो आई विल जस्ट क्विकली डू द अनबॉक्सिंग. सो बेसिकली यू गेट दिस फ्लिपकार्ट बॉक्स और उसके अंदर यू गेट दिस बीस्ट विच इज़ नोन एज Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. बेसिकली इसका Mark III भी आ चुका है. Mark III में आपको ऑडियो पोर्ट वगैरह मिल जाता है और इसका M50 Mark II भी आता है, बट दिस इज़ अ गुड वन फॉर द व्लॉगिंग एंड ईजी वन. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू ओपन इट. PowerShot Mark II. देन यू गेट दिस सम बेसिक मैनुअल जो कि बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस में आता है एंड वी डोंट नीड टू गो इनटू दैट. Then you get this. What is this? This is you get a typical basic charger, I guess. ये मैंने पहले फ्रेंड्स के पास देखा है, so it's not a big deal. But you get this 0.2 pins वाला चार्जर. Then you get battery and everything. So basically एक चार्जर मिल जाता है, Canon charger. Then you get this battery, a small battery. The capacity is 1250 mAh if you can see this. And then you get this strip ताकि आप यूज़ कर सकते हो और कैमरा कभी गिर ना जाए इसलिए. And after that you get this camera. Okay, so this is basically the beast camera. You can look at this how compact it is. A very small camera जो व्लॉगिंग के लिए ईजी हो जाता है, पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है एंड यू कैन यूज़ इट विथ so many things for the vlogging, shooting, a lot of things. Let's first check out what is the design and then we will see how the camera is. So basically if you look at the camera on the top, you will get so many modes. Like you get this auto mode, panorama mode, so many modes. You can click here and check that. This is the power shot button and this is basically for the zoom in, zoom out. यहाँ पे on off का बटन मिल जाता है. And basic feature, this is for the recording. Then some basic features like information, how to start flash, menu. Here you get this Wi-Fi button. So if you want to directly transfer photos from this to directly your phone, you can directly do that. Here also you get a flash button, like if you open this then it will open the flash and you can see you can click like this. Also you can, like if you want to flash up, then you can do this also, so you can get flash up also. If you don't need it, just push down and that's all. On the downside you get this for if you are using a tripod and if you want to mount tripod here, you can mount the tripod here. Here you can put the batteries also, battery and memory card. I already used the memory card, so here is my memory card. We will just put the battery and we will see how it is. The front you get this lens और यहाँ पे एक बटन मुझे if you want to noise off this ring, then you can on this on. If you press this button, then the noise will be 0. So this is all about the physical appearance or the design of Canon G7X Mark II. Here you can get the internal microphone. Basically इसमें extra microphone use नहीं कर सकते जैसे कि other cameras के साथ करते हैं. So you have to rely on internal microphone only. You can change the image quality, then the Face ID setting, change button, digital zoom, then aspect ratio, flash settings, self timer, मूवी साइज सेटिंग्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें आप कर सकते हैं. व्हेन यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट. और देन इट्स रियली गुड. लेट्स क्लिक सम पिक्चर एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट वर्क्स.
Here is one image how it looks. It looks beautiful and color looks great. And this is the selfie one. It both looks great.
So this is the footage of Canon G7X Mark II. इससे पहले मैं अपने फ़ोन में एक्सटर्नल माइक लगा के शूट कर रहा था. Now I have shifted to the Canon G7X Mark II. Let me know how the video quality is. I can see on the screen that video quality is definitely great. I mean, color combination, the bokeh effect, the pet portrait mode is definitely great, and I really loving this view as compared to my phone और मेरा जो दूसरा कैमरा था उससे भी this is much better. The only problem I am thinking is maybe इसकी audio quality थोड़ी सी ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है, because this works on only on the internal mic. इसे external mic हम connect नहीं कर सकते. If you want to buy G7X Mark II, I will put the link in the description. You can buy, इसके accessories की भी links में डाल दूंगा. You can go and buy all of those things. इसका नेक्स्ट वर्जन भी है Canon G7X Mark III जिससे आप एक्सटर्नल माइक कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय दैट यू कैन गो फॉर दैट. बट व्हेनेवर आई आस्क माय फ्रेंड्स, सब लोगों ने बताया कि G7X Mark II इज़ मच बेटर फॉर द vlogging camera because this is a compact and it's easy to carry, easy to shoot, and everything. This is so great about this camera. Let's check out some low light condition shots. So this is the video in the full light condition. You can see the bokeh effect also. Let's switch on to the low light condition and let's see how this changes. So basically this is the low light condition. Even the low light condition it works really good. You can see completely my face. ये completely face detection कर लेता है. Even the light is not that good, still it is giving a good shot, and in this position I can really, I mean this picture really looks good if I click the picture right now. So this looks really awesome, and low light condition me it works really good. This is Dagdushet Halwai in Pune. If you come to Pune, then make sure you visit here. This is one of the sacred place in Pune. This is the selfie footage while walking. You can see the stabilization. Is it good? Is it bad? So that's everything about the Canon G7X Mark II. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure you like this video. Comment down what do you think about this camera, and if you're waiting for the next camera, then stay tuned. Next month probably, or by end of this month, I'm going to buy another camera जो कि इससे भी compact होने वाला है, which is a little bit higher price. But let's see, because I really wanted to shoot a lot of vlogs, but because of the mobile पे तो shoot नहीं कर सकते, it's not a good quality. And I do have this, but this is also my uncle's camera, so not sure about how I'm going to shoot with this video. But it's better to go with another pocket camera, so I'm going to think about that also. So make sure you like this video, share, comment down whatever you want to do, and I will see you in the next video.